Today, we're diving into the exciting world of upcoming smartphones, specifically the highly anticipated Galaxy S25 Ultra. We've all been eagerly awaiting news about Samsung's next flagship, and the leaks are starting to trickle in, painting a picture of a device that's not only powerful, but also incredibly comfortable to hold. Remember the Galaxy S24 Ultra? It was a great phone, but some users found its design a bit bulky. While it seems Samsung has listened to those concerns, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to have slightly rounder edges compared to its predecessor, making it more ergonomic and easier to grip. But the design improvements don't stop there. New leaks are revealing some juicy details about the phone's thickness and weight, and it seems Samsung is going all out to make the S25 Ultra the most comfortable flagship to hold. According to reliable tipster at Universys, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will be the thinnest and lightest flagship phone compared to its competitors, including the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. Let's break down the numbers. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is rumored to be 8.5mm thick and weigh 221 grams. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to be slightly thinner at 8.25mm and weigh 225 grams. Now, here's where things get interesting. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is said to be even thinner than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, coming in at less than 8.25mm. It's also expected to be lighter than the Pixel 9 Pro XL, weighing less than 221 grams. That means the S25 Ultra will be at least 0.35mm thinner and 7 grams lighter than its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which is 8.6mm thick and weighs 232 grams. These improvements are significant, and they suggest that Samsung is really focusing on making the S25 Ultra a more comfortable and enjoyable device to use. But the S25 Ultra isn't just about its slim profile. It's also packed with powerful features, including a quad camera system that's rumored to be even more impressive than the S24 Ultras. We're talking about a 200 megapixels primary camera with a wide lens, a 50 megapixels telephoto lens, a 50 megapixels super telephoto lens, and a 50 megapixels ultra-wide lens. For selfies, there's a 12 megapixels front-facing camera. Under the hood, the S25 Ultra will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, ensuring top-notch performance. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus might also be available with Samsung's own Exynos 2500 SoC. With all these exciting features and a sleek, comfortable design, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a serious contender in the flagship smartphone market. We're still a few months away from the official launch, but the leaks are already giving us a glimpse into what we can expect. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to be a game changer, offering a combination of power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology that's sure to impress. Stay tuned for more updates, and be sure to let me know what you think about the Galaxy S25 Ultra in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech news and reviews.